How to fix Reddit saved post not appearing. So you might be in the position where you want to see the post that you have saved before on Reddit, but you are not being able to, and all of the post has been disappeared. In this case, what you want to try doing is, first of all, you simply have to log out of your Reddit account. Once you have logged out, re-log into your account and check whether the post has appeared or not. After that, you have to try clearing the local history. So tap on Clear Local History over here and then click on OK. Once it has been cleared, now the next thing you want to do is head over to your App Store. Check whether you are running the latest version of the app. If it is not up to date, then try updating the app to the latest version. Most of the time, updating the app has fixed the issue, so you might also be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.